Clean, clean, clean. Alright, that's good. Good, 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 good.
From day one I knew that music was the answer. Rock a beat, full flex, done hustler. Music feeds my soul. It's the reason that I am alive, that I'm breathing. Nothing can stop me now, they're on the right track. Push full steam ahead, now look back. Anything in my way, this is a warning. Mr. Day like a hurricane storm. Feel so good, it's time to go hunting. Enough money, hot girl, fast car, those things. Got to give this all I got. Now watch me glow. Watch me glow, watch me shine. Steady on my grind. Nothing's gonna hold me back. Never quit, never stop. Give this all I got. Here I go, here I go. Watch me listen to music, a life journey for me. Just a put in the work and fulfill the dream. I'm a passion, I'm a love it, I'm a heartbeat. No matter when me go, me say me not stop breathe. Mission not a competition and that concrete. So me stick to the tracks like athletes. Making progress, that me know best. EP to mixtape, say the album next. Married to success was an instant hit. Make the money in the street and then we invest it in the studio and the beats come through this shit. But we don't quit. So watch me glow, watch me shine. Steady on my grind. Nothing's gonna hold me back. Never quit, never stop.
So the first thing is the browning, right?
Watch me glow, watch me shine.
Hold up. But as you can see, the first thing. Sprinkling down kind of chicken. So, bamsu, gaya. Kind of gaya. Then look at it. Mrs. Dash over here. I'm gonna catch Mrs. Dash. This now, I'll make it the jerky. Mix him up. 1, 2 fingers normally way too much. And then this now bring it together.
So what's in that?
Onion, scallion, garlic. Yeah, for some time, whatever that time. When I get done in a pot, because I want to show people how we season meat. And them see me draft and me chop at the nose, yeah. Mama Carlin style this. Like I mentioned on the road, jerk chicken, see, put in the pork now, yeah, give them the real deal now. Alright, so this now, put in the freezer after, make it stay out.